The cable chain stitch starts with a regular chain stitch from the bottom of the stitch line. Then place the needle over it and loop the thread around it from the left to right. Holding the loop in place using the left hand thumb, direct the needle into the fabric at a short distance from the first stitch. Come out again on the stitch line and make another link. As you pull out the needle, you will see that there is a small stitch connecting these two loops like a cable. Continue with the process. If you're working the stitch for the first time, the cable links might be a bit challenging to do, and they all might turn out in different lengths. But don't worry, it won't take long before you get the hang of it and start enjoying this beautiful stitch. Marking the stitch line with dots can help in keeping the stitch consistent. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know if you have. You can support us to make more videos by becoming our patron. Check out the description for details. Thank you so much for watching.